In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Bluetooth headphones or speakers that are connected, but the sound is still coming from your laptop. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And this issue can be super annoying, but there's a few fixes that you can try. The first thing you're going to want to try is right-clicking on that sound icon down in your taskbar in the bottom right corner of your screen and go to the sound settings option just like so, and just make sure that your Bluetooth device is connected as the output. So just make sure it's selected on here and it should update up here as well. From here, also just make sure that you have the volume turned up. If that doesn't work for you, what you're going to do is this time go to the sound output settings. So once again, right click on this, but this time go into the volume mixer and just adjust this as well. So make sure this is set to the right area and turn up the volume as well. And if that still doesn't work, what you're going to want to do is go to Bluetooth and devices in the same section, go to the devices menu right here and find your Bluetooth device on here. Click on the little arrow to expand it and you're going to see an option to remove this device. Go ahead and remove this device and then reconnect it by going back up here and selecting add a device and go through the standard connection process. Now, if sound is still coming from your laptop after doing all of that, go to the search bar and type in device manager just like so and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And what you're going to want to do is expand the Bluetooth section right here and you're going to see all of your Bluetooth devices connected on here. Go ahead and find wherever that Bluetooth device is and go ahead and right click it just like so. And you're going to see an uninstall device option here. Go ahead and select uninstall. Confirm the uninstall, and then from here, you're going to want to go ahead and reinstall that Bluetooth device by going through the standard connection process one more time. And after you do that, when you reconnect your Bluetooth device, it should be working. Just make sure once again it is selected as the audio output setting, which is what we went over in the very beginning. Now, hopefully one of these steps did fix your issue. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.